Hey guys, so for this one you're going to need a small bag. I'm using this one that I thrifted ages ago, so any small bag will do. Apart from the obvious needle and thread, you're also going to need 2 strips of fabric. I cut these from an old pair of jeans. All you need to do is to attach the 2 strips of fabric to the back of the bag to create loops for your belt. Mine looks the same way front and back, so it doesn't matter. In hindsight, I should have stitched them higher because once your bag has contents and it's a bit heavy, it droops a little. So do that for yours. As a bonus belt, I cut out the waistband from the old pair of jeans I was talking about.